Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company Goldco. Hey there, I'm your host Ron, and thanks for spending time with us today. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section below. Are you ready for this one? Let's get started. I'm sure you've noticed it's been a heck of a start to 2025, right? I mean, we're not even 2 months in, and I'm having a hard time keeping up with everything. President Trump has come in like a wrecking ball to start off his second term with a flurry of executive orders, some tariff-induced chaos, and, oh yeah, not sure if you've seen this, but we've already had a bank failure to start us off for this year. Great, right? It's no wonder that the price of gold has yet again hit a record high. It seems like our shiny yellow friend just loves President Trump so far. And, I mean, it's really no surprise if I'm being honest. Under Trump's first term, the price of gold soared a staggering 53%, and silver went up an impressive 51%. Do precious metals just have a thing for President Trump? Or is there something more to it? Let's get into it. Well, there's a lot to digest about the state of our economy, that's for sure. So why don't we start right there? The national debt is still a staggering $36 trillion and marching higher. Potential trade wars are scaring the market, to say the least, and there's been 15 bank failures in the last few years alone. In fact, like I said before, we just had our first casualty of 2025, the failing of Pulaski Savings Bank in Chicago, Illinois. On January 17, 2025, this bank closed its doors, with Millennium Bank stepping in to take over deposits. The FDIC estimates that this failure cost $28.5 million, with suspected fraud playing a major role. And let me tell you, this isn't just an isolated case. A few months earlier, First National Bank of Lindsay in Oklahoma went under in October 2024 after regulators discovered false and deceptive bank records. That failure was even more costly, with a $43 million hit to the FDIC fund. All right, now let's get back to President Trump. I dug around a little bit, and Trump had some very interesting things to say about gold in the past. In fact, he's even talked about the USA going back to the gold standard. Here's what he said. We used to have a very, very solid country because it was based on a gold standard. He also has been quoted saying that bringing back the gold standard would be very hard to do, but boy, wouldn't it be wonderful? We'd have a standard on which to base our money. Well, here's the thing. Gold has been used as a store of value for centuries. The government can't easily manipulate it, and it's known as a hedge against market risk and inflation. Mix in Trump's favorable comments about putting the country on a gold standard, plus all the tariff talk and potential economic shakeups, and just maybe gold could shine bright over the next 4 years. So, tell me what you think. I mean, how high will the price of gold go under Trump's second term? Will gold continue to keep breaking records in 2025 and beyond? Go ahead, fire away in the comments below. We love hearing them, and we always read all of them. And if you're looking to learn a little bit more about how precious metals might be able to help you and why thousands of Americans are turning to precious metals to potentially safeguard their retirement savings, well, just give a call to the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. You see, Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. With over 6,000 five-star reviews and over $3 billion in precious metals placement, Goldco has built up a reputation as one of the best and most trusted gold companies in the country. Goldco is also offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. Simply click on the link right below to get yours. Well, that's it for today's market update. Don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and keep shining.